Gunmen stormed the Plateau State Polytechnic in Barkin Ladi last night and kidnapped 2 students. Hi, welcome to What's Happening. These are the top 10 stories now. At number 10, Borno State Governor Babagana Zulum has cried out that 2 local government areas in his state, Abadam and Guzamala, are still under the control of Boko Haram terrorists. Zulum spoke yesterday when the chairman of the Senate Committee on Army, Senator Ali Ndume, led senators and top military officers on a courtesy call to the government house in Maiduguri. The governor's disclosure came against the backdrop of repeated claims by the federal government that the Boko Haram insurgents had been largely decimated to the extent that it could no longer control any local government in the north. At number 9, the Nigerian Meteorological Agency has predicted sunshine and haze across the country from today to Saturday, January 15, 2022. The agency's weather outlook released in Abuja on Wednesday predicted a sunny and hazy atmosphere on Thursday over the northern region throughout the forecast period. NiMet also predicted moderate dust haze in horizontal visibility of 2 to 5 kilometers over the north central throughout the forecast period. It said localized rain showers are expected in Lagos, Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, Cross River, Rivers, and Delta states. At number 8, the United Kingdom has pledged to provide educational support worth £16 million to Nigeria's northeast in 2022. Maman Mohammed, the spokesman of Yobe State Governor Mai Mala Buni, disclosed this in a statement in Damaturu on Wednesday. The donation was also made known by the British High Commissioner to Nigeria, Catriona Laing, during a visit to Buni yesterday. The British envoy informed Governor Buni that the project, targeting over 270,000 pupils, includes the procurement of educational facilities and teachers' training. Laing expressed satisfaction with the development strides recorded in Yobe, describing it as an impressive feat that motivated the UK government to partner with the state in education. At number 7, the World Health Organization has said more than 15 million new cases of COVID-19 fueled by the Omicron variant were reported around the world last week. Briefing reporters yesterday in Geneva, World Health Organization Director General Tedros Ghebreyesus disclosed that the huge spike was driven by the Omicron variant, rapidly replacing Delta in almost all countries. According to him, the number of patients being hospitalized is also increasing in most countries, but it is not at the level seen in previous waves. He told journalists this was possibly due to the reduced severity of Omicron and widespread immunity from vaccination or previous infection. At number 6, the Independent National Electoral Commission says it would deploy 12,000 ad hoc personnel for the February 12, 2022 area council election in the Federal Capital Territory. INEC's resident electoral commissioner, Yaya Bello, said this yesterday during a town hall meeting with women groups and gender-focused civil society organizations in Abuja, organized by INEC in collaboration with the European Center for Electoral Support. Bello assured that INEC would provide a level playing field for candidates participating in the election. He charged women groups to sensitize and mobilize other women and youth to come out during the election and vote for their preferred candidates. At number 5, Anambra State Governor-elect Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo has appointed Nigeria's former Minister of Information, Dr. Obi Ezekwesili, as the chairperson of his transition committee. It was learned that the inauguration of the committee would take place on Thursday, January 20th at the Agulu Lake Golden Tulip Hotel in Awka. Recall that Soludo, who was the governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria between 2004 and 2009, was declared winner of Anambra State governorship election on November 6, 2021, after a supplementary election was held in Ihiala local government area of the state. At number 4, the Nigerian Air Force Special Forces has rescued 26 kidnapped victims while on a fighting patrol along Benin-Gwari, Kaduna Road. The Director of Public Relations and Information, NAV Headquarters, Edward Gapkwet, made this known in a statement released today in Abuja. Gapkwet said the rescue operation occurred when the Special Forces came across 5 abandoned vehicles with their doors open near Angwanyako, an indication of forced removal or evacuation and likely kidnap scene. He added that, acting on instinct, the SF began exploiting the general scene of the abduction and extended for about 3 kilometers radius well into the bushes while clearing the general area. Upon sighting the SF, about 3 kidnapped escapees suddenly came out from the bushes. Further search by the SF led to the discovery of 4 different groups of victims hiding in the bushes. Those rescued have since been moved to the 461 NAF Hospital, Kaduna for thorough medical examination. At number 3, the Nigerian Correctional Service, Rivers State Command, says it is collaborating with sister security agencies to beef up security in custodial centers across the state. The Rivers State NCoS Comptroller, Alex Odita, made this known in a statement released in Port Harcourt on Thursday by the command's spokesperson, DSC Juliet Ofoni. The NCoS Comptroller, who visited the State Comptroller of the Nigerian Immigration Service, Mr. D. Oni, and the State Commandant, Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, Bachire Aliyu, said the move was to prevent jailbreaks in the state. At number 2, President Muhammadu Buhari arrived in Ogun State earlier today on a one-day official visit to inaugurate some projects undertaken by Governor Dapo Abiodun. Buhari arrived at the Gateway City Gate Monument, Shagamu Interchange, Abeokuta at 11:37 a.m. in the company of the Ogun State Governor. The president was received by the governors of Yobe, Ekiti, Ondo and Osun states. Buhari was billed to inaugurate the 42-kilometer Shagamu Interchange Abeokuta dual carriageway, which is now renamed as the President Muhammadu Buhari Expressway, among other projects. Finally, at number 1, gunmen stormed the Plateau State Polytechnic in Barkin Ladi last night and kidnapped 2 students. Sources said the 3 gunmen stormed the hostel known as Plateau Embassy towards the end of the school fence and whisked away 2 girls identified as Bensit and Longfei after shooting sporadically in the air. The spokesperson of the Plateau State Police, Gabriel Uba, confirmed the incident, but said 1 suspect has been arrested in connection with the abduction. Always remember to wear your mask, wash your hands, and stay safe. That's all for today. See you next time on What's Happening.